Garth, welcome to a special edition of a Dollar Tree haul. So tomorrow, July 5th, my sister's boyfriend, Amir, will be coming up from Texas to come stay with us for like the good majority of the week. And his 40th birthday will be here with him. What? As I said in my room tour video, I'm going through one of the worst menstrual cycles of my entire life, and I have PCOS, so my face matches my inside feelings. I'm also very bloated, so I know I don't have to say that, but I feel like I want to say that. Stop talking. Anyway, since I was late teenagers, early 20s, I was known as the Dollar Tree party queen or dollar store party queen because we didn't really have a close proximity of a Dollar Tree growing up where I grew up. But like dollar store parties, where the birthday parties, graduation parties, anniversaries, holler at me. I'm the person to come to. If you're like me, if you're a budget queen and you have a party to throw, fear not, I will show you how to throw a birthday party with a very limited budget. I spent $35 in total. That's including tax, and I got a few things for myself on the side. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry, Amir. Most of this is for you. Again, if you are throwing this for a child, it'll be a little bit more easier because they have like party favors. They have a lot more cartoonish type. They have a lot more toys you can get from there. And just a lot more in general for children, party based and birthday based. And again, I got these things a week and a half ago. So it was still June. He's not coming until the 5th, and his birthday is not till the 7th. So the party won't be till the 7th. So I didn't get balloons yet, but we're going to be going back for balloons the day of the party. And and I have to get wrapping paper because I didn't know what gift I was going to get him yet, his main gift from me. So I do have that gift now, which I can show you guys what his gift is. I'll show you guys in this video and in that vlog because I'm going to be vlogging it. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that in a vlog. However, from what I do know about him, what I was going on based is his color palette. He loves the color blue. I knew that much going in. And this was with no help from my sister. I know my friends, and I know my sister's boyfriend. Yeah, okay. I tried to get like a lot of blue, different shades of blue. So we are getting a cake, and we're probably going to serve it, or we'll put some snacks. We'll maybe do a charcuterie on this Dollar Tree plastic, really pretty though, crystally looking blue plate. It is really cute. I got some plastic blue plates. I got 2 of them. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why this was more money than I intended to spend, but it's fine. I still spent hella less money than if you were to go to Party City or any other party outlets that there are, but it comes with 8 in a, they're plastic and it comes with 8. So we got 16. Please don't throw math at me, especially if I'm on camera and in front of people. Holy crap, that's terrifying. We got 30 paper plates, a different shade of blue than the other blues we've got. So we've even got more blues. We've got some blue napkins, 30 in there. Perfect. There's only going to be 5 of us. So we got some light blue cutlery. So that's a different shade of blue. And we got these 16. There's 2 of these. Okay. So again, not necessary, but you know, we have leftovers. This is 14 tumblers and this is 16 tumblers. So, okay. I don't know what the difference was. I thought this was all one big thing, and I just kind of took it and threw it in the cart. So yeah, got some blue cups, got some different blue cups. This one matches the serving platter that I got. So this comes with a pack of 10. These are really pretty. I really like those. I got him this blue happy birthday sunglasses that says it's my birthday. I'm gonna have so much fun. Like he's very introverted and like very like stone-faced and very, you know, like he's got a great sense of humor and everything. He's just very like shy and quiet. So he's gonna be like very timid, and that's what I'm going to expect. My sister's like, don't think he's gonna be rude. I'm like, I don't think he's gonna be rude. I know him by now. Amir, I see you. I see you. Don't get like embarrassed by that kind of thing. I don't know how this is gonna go. So like 40, he's turning 40. Happy birthday. 40 years young. And he's also a gamer. So where did the other thing for that part go? Oh my God, that's stressing me out. Here we go. So I saw this at the last minute, this centerpiece. It's like this happy birthday level up gamer thing. This was my sister's favorite thing that I got. And this happy birthday banner that says level up as well as happy birthday on it. So she thinks, and it happens to have blue on it. So perfect. I got him a happy birthday blue birthday card. This, I actually want this to be like from like the whole family. I think it would be better if it's just like a regular Hallmark blue birthday card. Yeah, from all of us. So that's, and I didn't, like I said, this is just going to be like a little tiny miniature little gifts, not like his major gifts, just like a side gift thing. So they have like all types of party, like like baby showers, birthday bags, bridal shower, any kind of stuff. So like, or you know, when it's the holidays, any type of holiday bag. So I got this bag because it has a lot of blue in it. So we got some balloons, and I got some blue tissue paper that has some glittery sparkles on it. Really pretty. And I just got him a couple side gifts because, and this is even blue. I didn't even like compute that together. But since he's such an introvert and he like gets everything delivered to his house, like us, same thing. I saw this and it just reminded me of him. It just says, let's stay home. And so he can put that on a shelf or on his window in his new apartment because he just moved. So I'm like, oh, a little housewarming gift. We actually have a sign that we got from Dollar Tree that says this. It's in different font and everything. And it's one you hang on your wall that my mom put in her room. So Mama Blaze has this. So this is going to go in that bag. Me and Amir's thing together is horror movies. We discuss horror movies. Our thing together is horror movies. We are horror movie people. So 2 cheesy horror movie DVDs. Shark Night is such a good, I actually got it for 1 copy for myself at Dollar Tree as well. So that's one of the things I got for myself. And people hated this movie. I actually really love this movie. It's more of a thriller. House at the End of the Street. I really like that. So 2 cheesy horror movies to go in that little bag for him. His favorite candy is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So I saw the Reese's Big Cup, Big Puff, Reese's Puffs Big Cup thing. So I got him one of those and a birthday cake Kit Kat right here. So all that is going to go, I'm going to put that in this bag. So this is just going to be a few little side gifts. It's not his major gift. Again, like tomorrow or the day after at the very latest, we're going to have to go to the 7th, because it'll be the day of the party, because we have to get balloons and pick up his cake and everything. We're having a cake made and everything for him. Again, if you want to follow me on everything, just subscribe and follow me on the vlogs. It will show you. I have to get balloons. We'll go to Dollar Tree, get happy birthday balloons and everything and wrapping for this. I got him a mug because he loves tea just like us, and he loves black cats. He has a black cat that he adores so much named Bo. So anything black cat, my sister said when I asked for gift ideas. So I got him a mug, a black cat mug. It's super cute, and the top is like a cell phone holder as well. And I thought that was really neat and very different, and I never heard that kind of thing. So that's what's inside this box. I'll just put up a picture of it. I got it off Amazon, so if you want to look it up. Yeah, and she said he'd really like that. So that's the gift, the major gift that I got from him. Let's look at the things that I got from myself. From Be Pure, I got mint lip oil. So if you guys know me, you guys know I love anything with lip products. and I need them to be scented mint. I love it. Well, I don't need them to be scented. I prefer it. I'm just swatching to feel the consistency. Ooh, feels nice and smells like mint. I'll let you guys know how this is. Then I will swatch these really quick. This first is the LA Colors Nude Glam Lip Gloss, sheer finish in Bare It All. Didn't I just get that? Is that what I'm wearing on my lips? I think it is what I'm wearing on my lips.
No, the shade on my lips is called Bear With Me, so for the remainder of this video, just know that the shade on my lips is called Bear With Me.
Then from Be Pure, their lipstick infused with rose oil. Oh, I didn't know it said that. Shit, that means it's gonna smell like rose. You guys know how I feel about that. But it did say it's a hydrating lipstick in the shade Spiced Almond. This is what it looks like. Really pretty packaging, very summery. Ew. And the LA Colors Nude Glam lipstick in Pinky Swear. So we're gonna swatch these. So here is Pinky Swear that we just saw. Very pretty, pale, peachy, pinky nude. Very nice. I love nudes so much, and these are going in my, I'm not doing a monthly favorites next. I'm just gonna be doing recent favorites next because I missed a few months, and I'm like, because I needed to collect as most products as possible. Here's Spiced Almond from that Be Pure place. It is very sheer, which is fine because if I just want to throw on a little bit of color, and I love hydrating, that's what that looks like. Kind of smells like chlorine from like a swimming pool. It just took me back. I just like had like, you know how smells like inflict like memory, like, or spark memories. Like I just had like a flashback to a really fun memory in my aunt's gigantic pool because they hella sick rich. There's the lip gloss in Bare It All. So I think it's the lip gloss matching what I'm wearing on my lips. Yeah, it is. That's actually really nice. This is like sheer coverage. That's not sheer, bitch. That's like really, really thick, opaque coverage. So I'm really happy with these shades of lippies that I got this time. That is everything in this Dollar Tree haul. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration on what to pick up and what to look out for a party. I know, like I said, it's easier to shop for like children than it is like for adults, but for adults they have things there too. Like I said, you can get some makeup products, you can get different, if they like crafts, they have arts and crafts stuff there. They have DVDs like of all different genres, so look out. If they like romance movies, they have romance movies. Horror movies, they have cheesy horror movies. Action movies, dramas, they have like a little bit of everything. They have journaling stuff, hair accessories, sunglasses, just tools. So there's pretty much, you can find any little tiny gifts, snacks, candies. So like you can put together like a little bag, a treat bag, a little tiny little things, even if it's just like for the side, and you need to get something bigger later like I did, do that. That's perfectly fine. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please stay healthy and happy, or at least as happy as you can be. And I know life can suck, but please don't give up. And I love you. Until next time, my beautiful ones. Stay wicked.